Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to deploy LibreNMS. First, let's create a new directory called LibreNMS. Then, we'll move into the LibreNMS directory. Next, we'll download the LibreNMS Docker files from GitHub. After that, we'll extract the downloaded zip file. Finally, let's navigate to the Docker Compose example directory. Next, we need to modify the Docker Compose file. Open the Compose file and comment out the top section of the configuration. This is necessary to make the file compatible with your installed Docker version. Now, run the Docker Compose command with sudo to start the LibreNMS containers in detached mode. Now, wait for all the containers to finish starting and make sure they are running successfully. Once the containers are up and running, check the port that LibreNMS is using. Then, open your web browser and enter the server's IP address followed by the port to access the LibreNMS web interface. Next, create an administrator user for LibreNMS. Enter the username, set a secure password, and provide the administrator's email address. Once the account is created, you can use these credentials to log in to the LibreNMS web interface. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials. See you in the next video.